everyone, Zach Pickoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 19-3 Work Together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 19-3 Work Together. In the last video, I read over the 19-3 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 19-3 Work Together, where we will be estimating ending inventory using the gross profit method. So the instructions say a form for making estimated inventory calculations and a form for completing an income statement are given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Number 1. Use the following information obtained from the records and management of Evans Company to estimate the cost of the ending inventory on June 30th. All right, so as you can see here, we have the estimated beginning inventory on June 1st and the amount, the actual net purchases for June and the amount, the actual net sales for June and the amount, the estimated gross profit percentage and the percentage, and the actual operating expenses for June and the amount. And number 2 is asking us to prepare an income statement for the month ended June 30th of the current year. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 19-3 Work Together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 19-3 Work Together, in which we will be estimating ending inventory using the gross profit method. Alright, so that is the end of the 19-3 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 20-1 text. Okay? Thank you.